Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Chetan Media. In this video, I'm going to unbox Logitech MX Master 3 Advanced Wireless Mouse. And this comes with a nice package with black and green contrast box, which is very cool to look as you see. And it comes with max speed and ultra fast scrolling feature. So you have an internal box which is all black with MX title on it, and this is the latest mouse in MX Master 3 series. Here we go, we have mouse here and a USB dongle, and basically it has two connections. One is USB dongle and with Bluetooth you can use either, and you have some manuals. Sorry about the focus issues. And it is very light to hold, the mouse, and it is ergonomically designed as you see. And there's a lot of controls and a lot of buttons in the side, and this is a USB dongle. You can use either of the connections to connect your computer or laptop. It's very easy and it looks cool. And you have buttons on the bottom. This is used to switch profiles. And there's a button to switch on and switch off the mouse. And this is a very cool feature, that is switching profiles. Like if you have connected multiple computers, you can use this button to connect to one of the computers. And this is a port for charging. Basically it's a USB-C, and this is a USB-C cable. And it's very fast charging, which you can charge it in 30 minutes. And this is a box with mouse. And I'm using MacBook 15-inch, and it works great with MacBook laptops. And as you see, like in 15-inch, the trackpad is very big and it's very uncomfortable to use. And this mouse goes well with my MacBook. And also it works really great with PC. And these are the two controls, and this is a scrolling button, which is very basic in all the mouse. And what is cool with this mouse is it has like extra controls which can be customizable using Logitech software. And also it has hidden button, what I call, which you can use it and which you can program it to do some task. And once you connect this to PC or MacBook, so it will automatically detect the software and it will try to install it. So once the installation is done, it opens the dashboard and it shows all the features that is there in this mouse. And also what's cool is you can actually program this mouse based on the software that you use. If suppose you are a graphic designer, you can use Photoshop and you can customize the buttons. So once you are in the dashboard, you can actually click on each of the buttons and you can select the functions that you wish to perform. So that's it guys, this is very cool mouse and I'm really liking it. And if you want to buy this, I'll leave a link below. You can buy from that link. And also these are advanced controls where you can change the pointer speed, how fast the pointer should be, and also you can change the scrolling speed and everything. So it's like you have a granular level of control with this mouse. So that's what great about Logitech MX Master series, and MX Master 3 is the latest mouse. And hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this video, and also share this video to your friends.